Professionals. Today, we as a nation stand at quite an important juncture where the country awaits the dawn of a new national renaissance. And it's time to reshape, rethink about our future. Ladies and gentlemen, we all dream of a robust economy, an economy based on production, especially harnessing our potential, plus capitalizing on the opportunities missed for centuries. Professionals in the field of engineering, basically you are the cornerstones of this development drive. Your expertise, your innovation can simply lead the way, as seen in countries the world over transformed through engineering excellence. Today, we all have gathered at a very important moment where a cohesive effort is needed, especially to build truly a developed nation whilst leveraging on your skills, creating an impact that could last a long time. We are ready to start the proceedings with the lighting of this very special lamp in keeping the traditions of Sri Lanka. NPP Engineered Wurthikange Jatika Samuluwe Samaharambaya Sanituan Karabin Abisudanam Visheshu Poltel Pahan Vati Pahan Silubad Pat Karabin Me Subamurtiya Sanituan Karanda. Joining us. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Please resume your seating. It's time to inaugurate the National Summit of the community that would play the most important role in the true development drive that my nation, my mother Sri Lanka, would experience. To welcome all of you for the National Summit of the NPP Engineering Professionals, it gives me great pleasure to call upon, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the member of the NPP National Executive Committee and member of the NEO Engineering Exco, leading global entrepreneur in the IT sector. Please welcome Engineer Eranga Veeraratna.
Good morning. Aiboan, Wanakkam. Esteemed guests, distinguished speakers, and my fellow engineering professionals. It is my great honor and privilege to welcome you all to this landmark event, National Summit of NPP Engineering Professionals, aptly named the Groundbreakers. Today, we, under the patronage of the leader of NPP, Mr. Anurukumar Dissanayake, to celebrate the crucial role of engineering professionals in the development and progress of our beloved nation, Sri Lanka. I extend a warm welcome to our two distinguished speakers and to the special invitees who have joined us in person and online. A heartfelt welcome to all the 2,500 plus engineering professionals present here and thousands, or rather hundreds of thousands of professionals connecting from around the world through Facebook and YouTube. The groundbreakers who laid the foundation for our country's future is you. On behalf of the Executive Committee of the National Intellectuals Organization Engineering Group, I am delighted to welcome you. Our organization is a civil entity, a common place for all our engineering field professionals in Sri Lanka and abroad to come together in the noble mission of building our nation. Today marks the beginning of a new era, a national renaissance driven by a vision and the dedication of NPP and supported by the engineering professional community. As we stand on the cusp of a production economy poised to win the upcoming elections in October, it is imperative that we recognize and harness the immense potential of our engineering professionals. You are the architects of innovation, drives national development. We must seize this moment to innovate, push boundaries, and pioneer solutions that will elevate Sri Lanka to new heights. I encourage each one of you to engage actively in the discussions, share your ideas, and collaborate with your peers. Together, let us take inspiration of today's event and let it fuel our collective ambition to build a prosperous, equitable, and sustainable Sri Lanka. Let us make this moment of this summit first of many steps towards the brighter future. Together, we can achieve greatness. Together, we can build a new era of national renaissance. Thank you and welcome once again to the National Summit of NPP Engineering Professionals. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Engineer Iranga Viraratna, welcoming all of you for the National Summit of the NPP Engineering Professionals. And now it's time to take a look at the dynamic personalities behind the NEO Engineering Executive Committee. And it gives me great pleasure to introduce all of them one by one, as you can see on the screen behind me.
You're watching the Life Traveler channel.